Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Redmi K20 Pro, which is probably the most anticipated phone of 2019. It is the first flagship device by Redmi. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. So here we have the retail box of the K20 Pro. It says flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. It is the cheapest phone with 855 processor. On the back we have some features like 855 processor, 48 megapixel triple AI camera, 20 megapixel pop-up selfie camera, and AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. That's right, there is no Corning Gorilla Glass 6 on the K20 Pro. So let's open the box. This is the 6GB 128GB variant in blue color. I thought the red one is little too much and the black one is little too less, and we have the blue one right in the middle. Alright, here we would have some paperwork, a hard case. Let's take a look at the hard case. It is just what you would find in the market for like 150 rupees. Nothing special here. User guide, which no one ever reads, and the SIM ejector tool. Alright, so here we have the device itself with 18 watt fast charger. The K20 supports up to 27 watt fast charging, but in the box you will only get 18 watt fast charger, which is same as the K20, but the K20 doesn't support 27 watt charging. Here we have the USB Type-C cable. Alright, okay, here is the device itself with a red power button inspired by, I guess, Pixel, and this is the Aura Prime design. Alright, how do we get this off? Okay. Alright, let's do this. Alright, here's the device. Here, I need to get this off. Here is the device, Redmi K20 Pro by Xiaomi. With triple AI cameras. One is 48 megapixel, one is wide angle, about 124.8 degrees field of view, and one is 2x zoom. Okay, let's turn on the device. The thing I liked about this phone most is the cameras itself, because having 3 different focal lengths is just amazing. Okay, let's do the quick setup. Alright, here it is asking me if I want personal ad recommendations, and I have turned this off, so hopefully MIUI won't show me ads, which we all hate, of course. Alright, the setup is complete and we are good to go. So let's try the pop-up selfie camera, because I want to see how good the light in the pop-up selfie camera looks. Alright, not bad, though I expected this light to be more brighter. It's fine, I guess. Yeah, this is a bright environment, so I guess it's fine. Alright, the display looks gorgeous. I can definitely see where it ends, although it's AMOLED. Okay, let's turn the brightness all the way up. Yeah, I can see it. Okay, what do we have in the notification? Hello. No, I do not want that app. Why is it downloading the app? Okay, seriously, MIUI needs, what do I say, a huge improvement. Nobody likes MIUI. Why did it downloaded this app on my phone? I don't want this. I paid a premium price for this phone and this is just unacceptable. Seriously, Xiaomi, you said there will be no ads. Now I open my phone and what the fuck? Why does it downloading this app? Come on, MIUI. Seriously, Xiaomi? This is terrible. There is another of this app downloaded on my phone without my permission, without asking. Come on, that's not right. Alright, so that's it for this video. Xiaomi definitely, I have just started using this phone and I'm already disappointed in MIUI. Come on, Xiaomi, seriously, that's not how to make a premium phone. That's it for this video. I will see you in the full review of the Redmi K20 Pro. Thanks for watching.